Okay. So I want to run on the Chrome browser. So what I'm going to do, I will so I will enable these things. Okay, I'll enable these things. Let me so add one more. So I'll add same thing for all these things also. Okay, but yeah, first let's add for the Chrome browser. So just start Chrome browser. Okay, I'm putting a comma on
I
top.
think Chromium means it is opening in the Chrome browser only, right?
No, Chromium is different. Chrome is different. Chromium is different. I think you didn't observe properly. So both are Chromium is different completely. So Chrome, right? So and then all the properties you have to write use. So and here we can write all the properties. So what is the browser name? So first put browser name colon Chrome. Okay, Chromium. So it has shown already Chromium. Next, channel. So this is the one very important. So channel tells you, okay, in the Chromium family, what browser you want to run. That you can specify Chrome browser. Next, headless. So what you want? So you want to run in headless. So I'm just putting as of now false. Not in headless. And then viewport. What is the viewport? So what is the viewport you want to give? So I'm giving a viewport width. So you can specify some, suppose 1500, height. So 730, whatever you want, you can give that one. So then we have any HTTP errors are there. Ignore HTTP errors. We have ignore HTTP errors. So you can say simply true. So this all the configurations we did even for Selenium also. You remember those we are doing here. You don't need to write a code, right? There you need to create a Chrome options class, options dot, all this you have to set. But here straightforward key value pair concept, right? And
Yeah.
so another one is you want to accept the downloads. So I'm going to enable file downloads in Chrome browser. Simply you just put accept downloads. See that all the keywords are they already implemented. So easy. Just key value pair you are adding. Then you want screenshots. Screenshots. So what you want? I want only on failure. Only on failure I want. Next. So video. You want video. Retain on failure. You put. See, you have automatically that tilde icon when you put retain on failure. Next we have trace. So trace is, so this is also retain on failure. So we don't need unnecessarily, right? That's why we are putting all on failure only we want. If passed, you don't need. So you want to slow down the execution speed. So you can mention that also. By milliseconds, you can stop that. Launch options. So we can mention the launch options. Slow motion. So there is a slow MO. That is a slow motion. I'm putting 1000 milliseconds. That means 1 second I'm putting. So these are the options you can specify for all the browsers if you want. Even base URL also you can specify here, but we have to define one more where our base URL. That we'll see later. Once we define in the base URL some file, then you can include them, all of them here. Okay. Same, you can mention these properties, all these properties. I can take this, I can give same thing for the Chromium and other, right? Even you can give even for others also. So I need from here. I want it.
One more thing, sir.
Mm-hmm.
At what situation we need to use a tilde symbols? Tilde symbol.
So tilde symbol is here in the JavaScript. You want to refer dynamic values, and you will use that. Even in the XPath, you want to give some parameters, right? That case, this tilde symbol is used. If you use tilde symbol, it will consider that as a parameter. And so then we can refer even for this also. Let's go and so this one, I'm going to even from browser name we can take except channel. So I'll take everything, right? I'll take everything. I can mention here. Except this. Browser name also you can make, and then headless false, and then you can put a viewport, ignore HTTP errors, accept downloads, screenshot, video, trace. Yeah. So extra we got it. Yeah. Same you can apply for so Firefox also. But you have to mention here Firefox. Browser name. Let's try like that. So for Edge browser, also you can specify same as a Chrome. Okay. So Edge is basically it's a same family. This Chromium family. I can just change channel as a Edge. That's it. So remaining all similar. I can mention the same thing here. Maybe I can start from here. edge, remaining all same. Okay. Even WebKit. So WebKit also you can do the same thing. This one can just put WebKit. WebKit, I have to put here WebKit. Okay. So that's all these configurations. Right? So this is the one important thing we are going to. So all these configurations are important, right? Even environments also. For example, in different environments you have in your application, right? So you want to run your application in different environments. Then this also, we have to handle that also. But how to handle, we'll see that, okay? So different environments. So like dev, QA, UAT, all this, and we need to handle that. So how can we handle? So we have to see that, okay? That also we'll see, and tomorrow we'll create this pages and everything, and then we'll progress. And also the URL we need to specify somewhere, right? Maybe you can create one more test config.js. So, right? So I'll create one more file, test config.js. You can mention the different environments. So like different environments URLs you can mention. Those environments from that file we'll read, and you can mention in the playwright config JSON file. So the base URL you can mention there. What is the base URL? You can mention like simply you just write the URL from where it has to take, right? That you can mention if the so environment is QA, and you can take that URLs. If it is a different URL, you have to specify that all those. And how can we specify that? And we'll see that. And even the URL specification is it has to come from one place, right? The base URL. What is the base URL? That I'll show you tomorrow how to do that. So then we have yeah. So these things we'll see tomorrow, because it's a bigger another file we have to write. So simply specifying the URLs is one thing, and then you have to mention all these files in some other global setup. One file you need to create to see default functions you can create. So navigate to URL and validate login and all this you can even there is one more concept, storage state. Storage state is another concept that will help, and we'll see that. So global setup, one file we need to create which will take care of launching the URL, log into the application, so all this, and closing the browser once your test cases are done, right? And then there is a tear down. Tear down basically it will do a cleanup activities. Like before cleanup, you have to get the all the reports and everything you can copy to some other location wherever you want. So that also will write one more .js file. So yeah, so we'll see all this one by one, and you will understand more how it works, how it is pulling the data, the file from other place. Okay, yeah, we'll see tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Arshini, so Harika, did you connect with Arshini?
No, sir.